prizes are sick this year. They're giving away a trip to Maui and another one of them brand new coolers. The one everyone was fighting over last year.
Please, I did not drive 40 minutes for some knockoff cooler. I'm here for one thing only, the grand prize.
Yeah, the grand prize. You know what it is, right?
Yeah, we know it's the latest edition.
Man, I can't wait to get my hands on that thing.
As the party hits full swing, this unknowing crowd's Christmas is about to be flipped upside down.
All right, can I get everybody's attention? It is time to start the 2025 American Backflow Christmas Raffle. All right, yeah, all right. Let's start off with the first prize, a 45-quart Yeti cooler. Landon, come on down, man.
Wow, a Yeti. But I was really wanting that grand prize. Oh yeah, man, a parking lot party.
Oh yeah.
Way to go, Landon.
Yeah.
Way to go.
Prize number two. We have a 4-day, 3-night trip to Maui. Oh, yeah. Okay, winner is Stage. All right.
Man, the kids are really gonna love this. It's not the grand prize though.
All right, and the moment we've all been waiting for. Get a drum roll, please. Okay, and the grand prize is not here.
What do you mean it's not there? Where is it?
I don't know. It was here earlier. Someone must have stolen it.
Hey, enough. Everyone calm down. The prize didn't just vanish. Someone here took it. It's okay. Or someone's hiding it.
My sandwich is gone too.
We'll get to the sandwich next. But who took the grand prize? Interesting. We've got our work cut out for us. Sean. Boop.
I haven't seen Jennifer since the grand prize went missing.
I swear it was with Brian. He was next to the display case earlier, I think.
It's not me. I was with Mike. I'm still looking for my sandwich.
I have it here that Jennifer did disappear at some point.
Yeah, but Brian was near the display. Hey, Brian, you're our prime suspect. Did you take the grand prize?
I mean, you are the inventory manager. You would know where it's at.
Right.
Listen, I put it on the display before the raffle started. That's all I know.
Do you have an alibi?
Yeah, after that he was with me. We were eating Christmas cookies till the raffle started.
I mean, I believe him. I mean, he put it on the display.
Should we clear him?
Yeah, he's good to go. Okay. You're good to go, Brian. Thank you. Jody was with Mike.
Let's check him out.
Yeah, right here.
All right.
Yeah. Jody, Mike, where were you at during this time frame? Spit it out.
Outside?
Doing what?
What were we doing?
Just like trying to take the edge off, man.
Oh yeah, that's an indica.
Indica? Nah, Swisher's dude. American made. Worked.
I don't think it was them. They were outside, but we can't rule them out. So you're good to go for now.
Yeah, we've cleared everybody but Jennifer.
Yeah. Hey, Jennifer, hold on. Hey, admit it. You stole the grand prize.
No, I didn't. I swear. I rigged it. It was foolproof.
How?
I put my name in there like 600 or 700 times.
You know what the kids will say. 6, 7.
6, 7.
But, I mean, if not you, then who?
I don't know.
I think she's good then, Sean. I mean,
I don't know. We're at a standstill.
I mean.
Still looking for my sandwich.
It's okay, buddy. He didn't do it.
We'll find it.
It's got to be Mr. Destructive.
And so, our merry little mystery party draws to a close. For as the night settles in, we find one curious fellow by the fire. Mr. Disruption himself. What's that in his hands? The grand prize? Why, the coveted American Backflow repair manual.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, and there is Mark's missing sandwich.